It's raining so hard and there's a thunderstorm. It's a crazy thunderstorm. The craziest thunderstorm ever. It's been thundering and lightning all night and all day long. There's no power and my phone's about to die. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. And if you do not like and subscribe, then the thunderstorm will go right to your state and strike your house. And if you also like and subscribe, you'll get 3 years of good luck. And you'll pass all your classes in school. This is so... And tonight I have to go somewhere and shoot. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at that all the way over there. Sorry, my camera sucks. It's like raining. The water's coming out. So crazy. This is so crazy, guys. Oh, shoot. Yeah, guys. This is so crazy. I want you guys all to like and subscribe. That'll really help me out. And almost every day I upload. I end up uploading something. Even if it's not the best, I still upload. And I'll get back to you guys when it's done raining.